have a turkey version of the snack and bacon from Dunkin' Donuts. It is the turkey bacon with brown sugar and fresh cracked black pepper. You guys, this bacon is delicious. Your ingredients will be listed below. So first, I laid out all of my turkey bacon on a baking sheet. Next, I'm going to put fresh cracked black pepper all over it. If you have not hit the thumbs up button, I need you to do so now. The next step is, after you get through putting on as much black pepper as you want, is brown sugar. So if you want it to be a little bit sweeter, you can add a little bit of maple syrup or a little bit of honey. And then put it in the oven. My oven is set to 350. I will bake this for about 15 minutes until it's done. And then guess what? You guys wait for absolutely nothing. Look how delicious this bacon is, you guys. You have to make it. And as always, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.